Isomatic that had a separated grid with this new Hoshizaki, and I'm a big Hoshizaki fan, but they're not without their problems too. So it's brand new. It made 3 batches of ice, and the bin control failed. I've got the replacement control, and I'm going to show you this and what happens with them, because it's becoming a very common occurrence with these. So I'll show you this here. So this is the bin control. I have it out of the machine right now to show you guys. It's a flapper control. It goes in and out. As the ice builds up, just go in, push it in, it'll turn the machine off. It says I'm full of ice. Ice melts, or you use ice, it goes away, it opens, brings it back on. And it just comes up here to these 2 terminals. And you can test it by ohming out the 2 pins. When the switch is out, it makes, so you should have continuity. And when it goes in, it opens the switch. And I'll show you another way you can check it too that makes it simple. Flip it over. It's, on the flapper is a magnet, and back here is a reed switch. So it's a magnetic reed switch. That's all that is. Another way to test this that's easy is you can take this pin, plug it in where it hooks up before you install it. Up here on the circuit board, you'll see that amber light up there. There's an amber light and a green light. Right now the amber light's lit up, meaning that we have a full bin. The switch is open. And the green light will come on when it's closed. Right up there. So I'm going to plug it in, and then we can cycle the switch and see the light change. So the light's green now. The switch is out. I'm going to push the switch in. And the light turns yellow. I'll open the switch with my thumb, and the light turns green. That's another way to check it. Close. Open. That's what I'm doing with my thumb, and then there's the lights changing. It's yellow light. I'll release the switch. Back to making ice. Now I'll go ahead and I'll install it into the bin. Okay, and then there's the bin switch sitting inside the bin. Looking for the wire. That's where the ice comes down right there. Back to freeze mode. What'll happen is you'll come up to the machine and it'll be doing nothing. You can switch it to wash, the pump will run, switch it back to ice, nothing will happen. You'll see that light up there will be amber, and the switch will be in the closed position like it wants to make ice. That's what you'll find when you come upon this. And you can cycle the bin switch. You can cycle the bin switch, and you can either look for the light or disconnect the wire connector and ohm it out with your ohm meter. But that's been real common on these Hoshizakis lately since they've switched to this type of bin switch. It used to be just a cold control that they had, and now they switched to this, and they've been having a few issues with it. There it is, up and running, freshy. So, you know what, the only thing on that recipe is like that's the sound of victory right there.